do my before and afters.
Okay.
Just kind of watch me do it.
Watch
You want to come over on this side?
Okay.
This is my new helper.
My new helper. What do I push?
You don't have to push that. You just point it. No, turn around the other way because now it's looking at you.
I don't want to look
There you
at me.
go. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Video job, all this, it pays good.
I thought it did. I might quit my job and go around with you.
There you go. We need a videographer.
I didn't see it look that good. I don't know how long.
Alright, so there we got, that's finished product on that one. Fixing to go back to this one, you see a big difference in those. That's a 3-step pass on that glass with a cutting compound, a finishing fast correcting cream, and then the finishing pad, black finishing pad. Turned out good. This one. What are you doing, Zeus? Yeah. What are you doing, buddy? We got those two. got both headlights on the truck. Looking good. Headlights on the car looking good. And that's a wrap. See ya.